Alright, so that is a wall cloud, definitely. Okay, okay. I'm seeing rotation. And this might be turning into a funnel as we speak. It's dipping down where the funnel would be. The wall cloud is slanted. And ahead of me looks green. Okay, yeah, I know where it's at. I know where it's at. I'm watching this storm. I'm watching this cloud. I want to call this a funnel because it's in a bowl shape, but I can't see if it's rotating. I'm not going to get any closer to it though. I'm not going to drive any closer to this. Okay, I gotta find a way to turn around. I'm getting blasted with wind now. I'm gonna go up to Pennington here. Man, that is a huge wall cloud. I don't hear much activity on the scanner right now. I'm gonna do a U-bangy here. I'm gonna point my nose to the west on Pennington. Holy cow. I'm getting